What's up, guys? Welcome back to Prodigy TV. If you're new to the channel, welcome to it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. But here, we do cool stuff like build Humvees or Rolls Royces. Today we're on Graham's adventure to see if he can get this thing fired up, which
We're gonna try.
I think he can.
I hope so.
He can literally get anything else running, especially his mouth.
What's that mouth do? Might be the governor, but I gotta pull the valve cover off and see if the rod is moving.
Sun.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's break time. Only reason I go with Graham is because he always buys my drink. I'm poor.
That's why you guys gotta subscribe to this channel.
Yeah. You gotta subscribe. We're headed to the store. God, it took forever.
New gloves. New gloves. New gloves.
Oh
baby.
yeah.
There's 2 injector push rods that have fallen out
Which ones? I don't see it.
right here. See? Look. Come over here. See it right there?
Oh yeah.
And then this one, it's then gouged the side of the push rod's wedged the rod on the governor from moving,
Your head's in the way.
so it's not releasing, allowing the injectors to fire, which is probably a good thing.
Alright, so how do you fix it?
Blow it up.
Tannerite?
It's junk. The quick way to fix it, I'm going to pull this rack off, see if I can reset that push rod, and then we'll slowly turn it over and see if well, I don't claim to be a diesel mechanic.
My wife's calling.
Is that her ringtone? Is that really her ringtone?
Yeah. Hey boo.
Hey, boo.
What are you doing?
What you doing?
Making a YouTube video, so don't say anything dirty. You're on speakerphone.
I'm the only one that can talk dirty on YouTube.
You hear me?
Oh, you're still filming?
Yeah. Me and Graham are messing with his truck. But
See you later.
love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Fix?
Yeah. The governor looks like it's bent.
Oh, there's a boss.
Where?
Right above your head. Oh, right. Oh! Where'd it go?
Out that way.
It like landed on the screen.
There's another one. Look, he's gonna get you. You're gonna piss him off now. One of our old bus drivers was short back in the day. She electrical taped a block of wood to the gas pedal so her foot could reach it.
Nah, really?
I swear.
Nowadays, you just move the seat forward.
Well, I'm sure the seat was all the way forward.
What's she a midget?
She's about your size.
My size.
She's a door.
Damn door.
A door.
Is the height requirement really? I think it's 4'9".
For what? To be a legal midget? Or
Yeah.
dwarf?
Yeah.
Dwarf?
If y'all know if you know the actual height, comment below. What do you think it is, Mitch?
Whatever size you are.
I'm 5'3".
You close.
Will it work?
I don't know.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, that door. Hot.
Will it fire up? face.
It's running now.
Yeah.
I can get it the hell out of the middle of the parking lot.
You had a look on your face, so like you was concerned. Moment of truth. Now we check the work. See if it actually held up. Now we gotta take it all off again. Well,
We're still there.
good.
Yeah.
It's good and it runs. That's all that matters. Now it's for sale. 38,000.
Shit. All right.
Yeah, 38,000. I'll make 16. You get 12. 38. That's not 38.
That's
this is
28.
I was close.
Yeah. You sure you were joking about that 3/8 wrench?
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going Napa.
Got the U-joint.
Is that what we're getting?
Gotta get a U-joint for the drive shaft.
Bigger in person. Alright guys, so we got the FM TV running. Now we have to get it drivable. So we just got back from Napa. Had to go get a U-joint for the drive shaft. This guy don't know what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing. What?
Hey, why don't you bring that garbage truck over here so I can put this back in?
Time to go for a ride. Martin, you say go.
Not build boots. Like, that's the problem.
That's what I'm saying, like.
That's floored. Alright guys, it's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it. Leave a comment, let us know what you thought. Make sure you subscribe. But for now, we're gonna go do some gangsta shit. Catch you on the next one.